That will probably fall. I know it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. And in today's video, and let me see if I can adjust this because I know it's going to be a little ricky. So today's video, I just need to open up and let you guys know what's going on situational wise. This has been the toughest year of my entire life, by far. You know, 2020 is so funny because it's almost a meme, but for real. You know, that's why I do love memes, because they hit home so well, and it makes my best day is when I have a batch full of memes. I know it's going to be a great day, but just even this past month has probably been the toughest part of my life ever. You know, I care a lot about, I'm a very passionate person. And for you guys that have stuck around, you guys know as well as I do, I like living life to the fullest. That's jiu-jitsu, flying, YouTube, my work, my family. I'm very passionate. I don't go out to bars. I don't play around. I just go to work, do some jiu-jitsu, and come home. And I try really hard to do my best. And I try to stand up for what I believe. And every time I do that, I always get the blunt end of the stick. And I think it's so true, and I want you guys to know this too. It's not if you have all the money in the world or if you have no money at all. We're just so fortunate to have a roof over our head, you know, air in our lungs, and a freaking phone to record and talk to you guys. But there's just so much that I can take. So I bring up my job because I had an incident happen the other day that I've never been in before in my entire life. And it happened on the job. Now I don't know if I'm gonna have a job. I don't know. And that's okay. Like, the job's not the thing. It's about what I am trying to achieve in my life and put my effort forward. And once again, I always come out on the bottom end of the stick. And even though everything was okay afterwards, and it was just something that was probably could have been handled in a different situation, but once again, I'm a very passionate person, and I believe in what I believe in. So with the wife, the job, the kids, and I don't have a full beard. So I'm on my own right now in an apartment. And I don't know where I'm gonna go next year. I don't know what I wanna do. I don't know where I wanna go. But I really wanna just check out for a month. I want everybody to be happy. That's what I want. And it is so hard. Like, it's just so hard to put. When you guys see me, when you guys see that, hey guys, so, welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. That's who I am. I'm not putting on a front. I don't put on a special limelight for you guys. That's who I am. I love being the most positive person. I want to be the most energetic and the most brightest lit person in the room. Because why else do we exist in life? To be in a negative state or to be in a depressed lifestyle. We live in the greatest of times. We live in the best of times. And for someone to complain or to be upset about certain situations, change it, fix it, find out a way to solve the problem. But don't just give up and walk away. And so many people do that. And it grinds my gears to the fullest when people don't realize how much they can achieve in life. And that's where I bring back that word passion. I'm a very passionate person. And I want to live my life to the fullest, like I've said before. And for someone to tell me no, someone to tell me that they're better than me, or that they have more accolades than me, that makes them a superior person, I can't stand it. I can't stand it. We all bleed red blood. We all breathe the same air, and no one is better than anybody else. Skin color, ethnicity, it doesn't matter. We are all the same people. And I cannot stand, and this is where I'm at my rock bottom. Everybody gets my positivity, but it's when I show my passion, my assertiveness, they don't understand it. They don't understand what I'm trying to get across of how well that you can be. And I say it in all my beard videos. You can achieve anything that you put your mind to. It doesn't matter if you have a full or thin beard. Make it for what you want. Be that person that you want to be. But don't let someone else tell you who you have to be. And that's where I'm losing all of my life is getting sucked out of me. And that's why I'm hitting rock bottom. That's why the video of this title is going to be 2020, the worst year I've ever had. Depression, anxiety, everything that you can imagine of an emotion. And I want you guys to know that not only will I be okay, and I'm telling this to myself too, because I had a mental breakdown here just about 30 minutes ago. And sometimes we need to have those and just recheck, kind of restart the program. But at the end, life goes on, and we got to keep our chin up. And that's what I'm telling myself right now as I'm looking at you guys. I got to keep pushing forward, and I have to still be passionate. Some people aren't going to like it, and I understand that. But that's why we have to have that the circle of, friends. I'm not going to deal with fake people, and I'm not going to deal with pompous, arrogant people. I want to be with fellow positive go-getters that want to achieve greatness in their life. And if I can't find that, then I need to be by myself. Because I want to let you guys know that, and I'm not trying to brag, and I keep this in my mind so I know whenever I have a challenge in my life, I put in my accolades that I've achieved. Being a jiu-jitsu black belt, having my pilot's license, being a successful YouTuber, being able to live off YouTube, for a year, putting my heart and strength into it and being able to achieve greatness. There's nothing better of a feeling than that. And I know that when I keep moving on, that I will be able to achieve more. But this year really kicked my butt beyond belief. I've never been in situations like this that I've ever been in before. And I'm learning how to handle it. And it's obviously going to make me a better person. But I want you guys to know that I'm not only okay, I do have my breakdowns at points. But I want you guys to know as well that this is just a period of time. And we will all get through it. But, you know, it's like that, what's your worst dinner that you've had at Thanksgiving? You know, what was the lowest that you've had? You know, when you have like, you know, crackers and just cheese for Thanksgiving. And not being with your family for the first time. It's tough, man. I miss my family so much. And it's so tough not being there with the holidays. And I'm not even blaming COVID. It's just my life situation right now. And it hurts. It hurts so much. And I just had to get that off my chest and let you guys know that I love you very much. I got some of the coolest guys on YouTube that just, anytime I need something, I can give them a text, I can give them a call, and they'll be there. I have so many cool people in my life, and I just want to say thank you for being a part of it and coming along and being a part of my story. It's been 10 plus years on YouTube, and I don't want 1 million subscribers. I don't want that. I just want to know that I can share my life with you, and even when we go through tough times, there's always that light at the end of the tunnel, and we'll get through it. A lot of people get through it. Everybody gets through it. It's just how we handle ourselves through those times. And I want to say thank you. Keep bringing that positivity in your life, and I know I will. So that being said, I want you guys to know once again that I love you with all my heart. And I can't say thank you enough for leaving comments, reaching out. It's just a blast. I have, like I said, I know it's a tough year, but I've had the best life. I've had the best life. And I can't wait to see what else comes to bring. But there's going to be some tough ones in there. And if you're watching this randomly, not a subscriber, I'm here with you, all right? This is a tough one. This is a tough year. But keep pushing hard, all right, you guys? Don't stop. Don't stop. Because when we have that timeline and we stop right here and we just had that much left and we just had to get over that big hurdle, come back down, reaching at the end, I've had it too many times. It's like a drug, and that's why I keep going. Success is a drug, and it's the best drug out there. And that's why I keep chasing after it. I want to be the best person that I can be. And I want you guys to do the same. Keep growing that beard out. We still got a month left in the holiday season. So keep strong, you guys. I love you very much. I'm going to do a review after this. And then I got another video too that's going to kind of explain some things too as well. So other than that, don't let this be a downer dumper video. But I want you guys to know that I'm okay, you're okay, you're gonna be okay, I'm gonna be okay, and it's just a time, period that we're just going through. I love you guys. Thank you for letting me rant, and I will see you guys on the flip side.